Hey, and welcome back to the Old Get Does Stuff channel. Today I'm going to share with you my recipe for chicken satay as a dish. If, like me, when you go to a restaurant and chicken satay is never enough, this is the one for you. Let's get into it. Right, we'll need a couple of limes, which I've already zested and put into the bowl, with a level teaspoon of Thai red curry paste and the juice of half a lime. And we're going to put the chicken with that. We're also going to need coconut milk, crunchy peanut butter, palm sugar and fish sauce, groundnut oil to cook in. I'm going to start by just cutting these limes in half. I'm going to put the juice of half a lime into here. I'm going to mix with the Thai curry paste and I shall see you in a moment. Right, I'm going to start by cutting the chicken breast into thin pieces. The thicker end of the breast I'm just going to cut over and under like that to get thinner pieces. And then I'm going to cut, as you can get into this, you can cut this in smaller pieces as you go to the end. I'm just going to do the same with the other breast and then pop that into the marinade, give it a good mix up. Right, I've just quickly washed my hands. I'm going to give that a mix up. I'm only going to leave this in here for about 45 minutes, just to give it a little marinade before I start cooking it. That's it, that's lovely and mixed in now. Just going to leave that for 45 minutes and then I'll start cooking it. Right, we're back. The chicken has been marinating for 45 minutes. The pan is screaming hot. Put these two together. I'm just going to cook the chicken off. Oh, that smells absolutely delicious. The original recipe's with barbecued chicken, but I've made it all into one dish really. It came about when I really feel that a portion of chicken satay in a restaurant is never enough for me. I absolutely love it. Just going to make sure this chicken's cooked all over before I do anything else. My fan's working well over the other side, I hope, stopping the steam coming up. This chicken now has been cooking for about 4 minutes, and it is absolutely cooked right through. I've just cut a bit in half to make sure that it is. The original recipe's like barbecued chicken, but I kind of do this a little differently. Into that goes our whole tin of coconut milk. Three fairly heaped dessert spoons of crunchy peanut butter. And two dessert spoons of palm sugar. This is coconut sugar. You can absolutely use soft brown sugar. That's what I used to use before I discovered palm sugar. And 1 dessert spoon of fish sauce. I'm just going to bring this back up to the boil mix it in. Now it's all mixed in, we're just going to cook that down a little bit to thicken this sauce up and give it a bit more colour. At this point I'm going to give it a little taste to make sure we're going along the right lines. Oh my god, that is so nice. This is another dish that's often requested by my friends. As you can see, it's starting to go a little bit darker colour. Yeah, dark brown or light brown soft sugar gives that little bit extra darker colour, which is actually quite nice. Unfortunately, I don't have any today. Right, this really hasn't been going that long now. Been 15 minutes in total since I started cooking, and we're really nearly getting there now. The colours come into it, it's lovely now, golden brown. What I'd like you to do now, if you're doing this at home, give this a little taste. This is fantastic. That is so nice, just like it is. But what takes this to another level is we're going to turn the heat off now and put the juice of the other 1.5 limes into it. And once we've done that, I'll get you to taste this again, and these limes just takes it to a different level. Now we just mix that lime in. We don't really want to cook that lime juice any more than just putting it in. Now, get another clean spoon so we're not double dipping, and give that a taste now. And if it doesn't blow your socks off, I don't know what will. That is just so nice. And if you like what we're doing on the Old Git Does Stuff channel, why not subscribe and tell your friends? We're a little hidden gem, you know. And if you're a fan of chicken satay like I am, that is one of the best dishes you will ever taste. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. See ya!